multiplication of rational algebraic expression. If we multiply P, Q, R, and S are polynomial expression. We have P over Q multiplied to R over S equal to P multiplied by R and the product of the denominator, that is Q over S. Q and S should not be both equal to 0. Otherwise, the expression will be undefined. 2x over y multiplied to 4y squared over 12. Factor the numerator and the denominator. Factor ng 4, that is 2 multiplied by 2. Expand natin yung y, that is y multiplied by y over, we have the factor of 12, that is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Divide natin, 2 divided by 2, that is 1. 2 divided by 2, that is 1. Y divided by y, that is also equal to 1. Ano lang maiwan dito? We have 2xy over 3. 3k minus 3n. So GCF natin dito is 3. We have 5 and 10. So GCF natin is 5. We can factor that using the common monomial factor. Gamit yung common monomial factoring. So factor natin to, ang GCF is 3. Then to find the other factor, divide lang natin to. 3k divide nyo sa 3, that is k. Negative 3n divide nyo sa 3, that is equal to negative n. GCF naman natin 5. Divide natin to, 5a divide nyo sa 5, that is a. Positive 10b divide nyo sa 5, that is equal to positive 2b. It's not factorable, so kopyahin lang natin yan, that is a plus 2b, and this one k minus n. Divide natin, k minus n divide nyo sa k minus n, that is 1. A plus 2b divide nyo sa a plus 2b, that is equal to 1 also. So understood na yan na may 1. So the answer will be 3 over 5, or that is 3/5. A squared plus 3a plus 2 over a squared plus 2a plus 1. We are going to factor the numerator using factoring a quadratic trinomial. Factor natin yung last term, kung saan yung factor, ang sum ng factor ay equal sa middle term, which is positive 3. So anong factor ng positive 2, since that is a prime? So there's no other factor except 2 multiplied by 1. 2 times 1, that is 2. 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3. So we have now the factor a plus 2 multiplied to a plus 1. Sa denominator naman natin, factoring perfect square trinomial. Kasi yung ating first term at saka yung last term ay perfect square. Pag kinuha natin yung square root nitong first term at saka square root ng last term at minultiply natin times 2, dapat yun yung makukuha natin na middle term. A plus 1 multiplied to a plus 1. Then we have this a square minus 1. This is factoring the difference of 2 square. Factor natin. Express natin yan as difference of 2 square. A square, that is a. Then we have square. Then yung 1 natin, 1 square. Then yung a at saka 1, express natin yan as sum and a difference of 2 binomial. A plus 1 multiplied to a minus 1. Kopyahin lang natin to. That cannot be factored. Then divide natin yung mga common factor. A plus 2 divide nyo sa a plus 2, that is 1. A plus 1 divided by a plus 1, that is equal to 1. Then we have a plus 1 divide nyo sa a plus 1, that is also equal to 1. So kapag na-cancel lahat yung nasa denominator, understood pa rin na may denominator yan na 1. So ang iwan na lang dyan yung a minus 1. So yan na yung sagot. Number 4, find the volume of rectangular prism given this dimension. We have the length, width, and the height. Hint lang natin, ang hinahanap natin dito ay volume. Ang volume natin, that is equal to length times width times height. Ang length natin, 6n over 3n plus 6. Width is 5n plus 10. 3n plus 21. And height, that is n squared minus 49 over 2n minus 14. Factor natin to, 3n plus 6 by means of common monomial factoring. Even with 5n plus 10 and 3n plus 21. Gamit yung common monomial factor. For this one, common monomial factor also, 2n minus 14. Dito naman, ang gagamitin natin ay factoring difference of 2 squares. Factor natin yung numerator. 3 multiplied to 2n. And GCF natin dito is equal to 3. 3n divide nyo sa 3, that is equal to n, plus 6 divide nyo sa 3, that is equal to positive 2. Okay, then we also have the other rational expression. We have the GCF of the numerator, that is equal to 5, since 5n and 10 is divisible by 5. Divide lang natin, 5n divide nyo sa 5, that is equal to n. 10 divide nyo sa 5, that is equal to positive 2. Over we have GCF natin dito, 3 and 21 is divisible but by 3. So, ang GCF natin dyan ay 3. Divide lang natin yung expression sa ating GCF na 3, that is 3n divide nyo sa 3, that is n. 21 divides 3, that is equal to 7. Multiply 2. Ang GCF natin dito, yung 2 at saka 14, divisible yan ng 2. So, ang GCF ay 2. So, 2n divided by 2, that is equal to n. Negative 14 divided by 2, that is equal to negative 7. Factor naman natin to gamit yung difference of 2 squares. Lagyan muna natin dito yung mga perfect square. 1 square, that is 1. 2 square, that is 4. 3 square, that is equal to 9. 4 square, that is 16. 5 square, that is 25. Then 6 square, that is equal to 36. 7 square, that is equal to 49. Then we have n square. So, ang kailangan lang natin dito ay yung nakalagay sa loob ng parenthesis. Yung n at saka yung 7. Express natin yan as n plus 7, n minus 7 naman yung isa. Divide na natin yung mga common factor dito. 3 divided by 3, that is 1. We also have n plus 2 divided by n plus 2, that is 1. n plus 7 divided by n plus 7, that's 1. n minus 7 divided by n minus 7, that's also 1. 2 divided by 2, that's equals to 1 also. Ang naiwan na lang dito yung 5n over, sa denominator naman we have 3. Okay, so the answer is 5n over 3 cubic units.